Little Kittens. It's Vocabulary Cat's here with my guest star.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to be trying these chocolate bars. Okay, they kind of look good. We just got them. And they seem super weird. You want to try them first? Yeah. Okay. There we go. Get your foot out of the way. Okay. Oh well. Okay, now. Now it was in the freezer, so it's frozen. We have to try to unwrap it now. Yeah, it won't budge. Did you get some? Oh, I figured out how to open it. There's a little arrow on it. And you're supposed, it's a red arrow. It's on. No, not on there. It's on there. See, right there. And then you just peel it apart. Wow. Ew, it's melted. It's partially melted.
Help me.
Oh my goodness, I'm so funny.
Help me so bad.
Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, yours is melted. It looks so funny. Oh, whoops. Oh, this is so messy. Okay, kind of looks like Laffy Taffy. That's good. Tastes like cocoa. It says it's extra cocoa and it's 100% Alpine milk chocolate. It's the best thing I've ever tasted. 10 out of 10. Where's this from again?
That restaurant.
Yeah, but wasn't it like themed something? I don't know. It wasn't American chocolate. It was a different place with different foods and stuff. But it wasn't American food. This isn't American chocolate.
No.
This is over.
It is really good.
So, 10 out of 10.
Yeah. 10 out of 10 too.
On the next video, with my guest star will be with me, and we will be doing an all-nighter video, so it's gonna be super long, sadly. We've only been recording for 3 minutes. Okay, so she's excited with this. I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye, my little kittens. Our guest star says goodbye. And say goodbye to our camera holder. And his big fat foot was in the way. Here he is. And next video, we will be rating my stuffed animals. And including my fidgets. So the video will be longer. Bye. Peace out.